What if the biggest threat to your liver is not pain, but silence? What if, while you are waiting for your body to warn you, your liver is already asking for help in ways you cannot feel? This is exactly why doctors tell people not to ignore fatty liver. Many seniors believe that if nothing hurts, nothing is wrong. They continue eating the same foods, following the same routine, and putting off healthy changes because they feel completely normal. But fatty liver is different. It often stays quiet for a long time, which is why so many people discover it during a routine blood test or an ultrasound they had for another reason. If you are over 60, this is something you should never take lightly. Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body. It helps remove waste, supports digestion, stores important nutrients, and performs hundreds of jobs every single day. Even when it is under stress, it may continue working without sending clear warning signs. That is why waiting for symptoms is not always the safest choice. The purpose of this video is not to scare you. It is to help you understand why doctors encourage people to take fatty liver seriously from the very beginning. The sooner you understand what is happening, the sooner you can work with your healthcare provider to build healthier habits that support your liver and your overall health. Before we begin, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and answer this question in the comments. If your doctor told you today that you have fatty liver, would you start making changes immediately, or would you wait until you notice symptoms? Consequence number 5. Your liver may not work as well over time. Let's start with something many people never think about. Your liver is working for you right now. It is filtering your blood, helping your body process nutrients, supporting digestion, and performing hundreds of important jobs without asking for attention. When fatty liver is ignored, the liver may gradually become less efficient over time in some people, depending on the cause and progression of the condition. That is why doctors often encourage early action instead of waiting. Healthy eating, regular movement, routine medical follow-up. These simple habits may help support liver health over time, and what comes next may surprise you even more. Because the next change is not something you see on a medical report first. It is something you may begin to feel during your normal day, even though many people blame it on getting older. Consequence number 4. Your energy may slowly start to disappear. Have you noticed that simple things feel harder than they used to? Walking to the mailbox, shopping for groceries, cleaning the house, playing with your grandchildren. Many people think, I'm getting older. Feeling tired is normal. Sometimes that is true, but not always. Some people living with fatty liver report feeling tired more often than usual. Fatigue can happen for many different reasons, including poor sleep, stress, certain medications, heart problems, thyroid conditions, anemia, depression, and many other health issues. That is why it is important not to guess the cause on your own. If you notice that your energy keeps getting lower and you cannot explain why, it is worth discussing with your healthcare provider. The important thing is not to ignore a change that continues for weeks or months. Your body often notices small changes before you do. Consequence number 3. Other health problems may become harder to manage. Now here is something that surprises many people. Doctors do not always look at fatty liver by itself. They often look at the whole picture. Why? Because fatty liver is commonly seen alongside other health conditions such as excess body weight, type 2 diabetes, high cholesterol, and high blood pressure. That does not mean one condition always causes another, but they are often connected. This is one reason doctors encourage healthy lifestyle changes that support your entire body instead of focusing on only one organ. Eating balanced meals, staying active, getting enough sleep, following your treatment plan, these habits may help support more than just your liver. They can benefit your overall health as well. And now we are getting close to the 2 most important reasons doctors encourage people not to ignore fatty liver. The next one is especially important because it can happen quietly over time. Many people never notice it while it is developing, which is exactly why regular follow-up visits matter so much. Consequence number 2. The condition may quietly progress over time. Here is something many people never think about. They hear the words fatty liver and immediately ask one question. Do I need to worry if I feel fine? The honest answer is that feeling well does not always tell the whole story. For some people, fatty liver stays stable for many years, especially when healthy lifestyle changes are made. For others, the condition may gradually become more serious if the underlying causes are not addressed. Doctors cannot predict this by guessing. That is why they encourage regular checkups, blood tests, and follow-up appointments when needed. The goal is not to make people afraid. The goal is to catch changes early when there may be more opportunities to respond. Ignoring the condition simply because there is no pain is a risk that many healthcare professionals encourage people to avoid. The sooner you know what is happening, the sooner you can work with your healthcare provider on the right plan for you. Consequence number 1. You could miss the best chance to protect your liver. This is the most important message in today's video. Many people think they should wait until symptoms appear before taking action. But with fatty liver, that approach may mean missing valuable time. Doctors often say that early action gives people the best opportunity to build healthier habits before more serious liver problems develop. You do not have to change everything in one day. You do not have to become perfect. You simply need to begin. One healthier meal, one daily walk, one follow-up appointment, one better decision at a time. Small actions may not seem powerful today, but over months and years, they can become part of a healthier future. And now we come to the final message of today's video. It is not about fear. It is about giving yourself the opportunity to act while your body is still giving you that chance. Sometimes the most important decision is not waiting for tomorrow when you can start taking care of your liver today. As we finish today's video, I want to leave you with one simple thought. Your liver does not ask for much, but it gives you so much every single day. It works while you are sleeping. It works while you are eating. It works even when you never think about it. That is why ignoring fatty liver simply because you feel well is a choice that many doctors encourage people to avoid. The good news is that today's message is not about fear. It is about opportunity. Every healthy meal you choose, every walk you take, every follow-up appointment you keep, every positive habit you repeat. These are small decisions, but together they can become part of a healthier lifestyle. Many people believe they need one big answer to protect their liver. In reality, healthy living is usually built through many small choices made consistently over time. Remember, every person's fatty liver is different. Some people may improve with lifestyle changes. Others may need additional medical care depending on the cause of their condition. That is why working with your healthcare provider is so important. Never compare your journey with someone else's. Focus on doing what is right for your own health. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you have fatty liver or think you may have liver problems, talk with your healthcare provider before making major changes to your diet, medications, supplements, or exercise routine. Now I would love to hear from you. If your doctor told you today that your liver needed more care, what is the very first healthy change you would make? Share your answer in the comments because your idea may encourage someone else to take the first step too. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple health tips designed especially for adults over 60. Thank you for spending these few minutes with me. Take care of your liver today because the healthy choices you make now may help support a stronger and healthier tomorrow.